4 questions. Number 1, what exam does Ethan need to study for? Number 2, what items did Ethan put on the desk? Number 3, what does Ethan love doing? Number 4, what did Ethan hate doing? Ready? Let's go. Hi, I'm Ethan, Ivan's little brother. Tomorrow I have a Spanish exam. I must study hard if I want to pass. I would like to study for 100 hours, but I only have 5. So I should start now. Actually, I should have some food first, so I have enough energy. I could have a banana, or I could have some pizza. What do you think? Maybe I shouldn't eat the pizza. I don't think it would be good for my concentration. I'll have the banana, but Mum did say that I may have 1 slice of pizza. This is 1 slice. Yeah, okay. Banana and pizza. Now I need to prepare my desk. Got a rubber, a pen, a pencil, my notebook, and my Spanish book. But I ought to choose some music to help me study, right? For my concentration. Okay. Whoa! I might change the music later, but for now, it's good. Let me be honest for a second. I actually love studying. I love learning languages. But when I was younger, I used to hate studying. Okay, I can't keep procrastinating. Shall I start now? Okay, let's go. ¿Cómo ha sido eso? ¿Has entendido todo? No pasa nada si no, escúchalo de nuevo. Y más que una vez si hace falta. Y con las preguntas intenta responder con respuestas completas. Y como siempre, good luck.